Panera is currently a private company, so they do not have a stock symbol on a major exchange. However, there are a few other like companies that you can trade that do have stock symbols. So the first one we can talk about is Cava Group, or CAVA. Then there's Chipotle, CMG, Domino's, DPZ, and then also Starbucks, SBUX. So let's take a look at our chart example of Kava. You'll see right up over here, CAVA. And this is a weekly chart of Kava. And each candlestick here is a monthly candlestick. And these lines here are Fibonacci lines, which are support and resistance levels. So you can see here that Kava's been in a really huge uptrend. And if I connect these resistance levels out here, and then support levels, you can go kind of up here. You'll see that Kava's been in this rising channel. And you can see when I draw these lines here, you have angular resistance at a key Fibonacci resistance levels. And then you have angular support down here. So with these levels, if you were looking to invest in Kava, it's a little bit overextended right now, hitting resistance. So typically when you see price like this, it usually pulls back at least. You know, it can continue up a little bit more, but at some point it might hit resistance and fall back down. The key is obviously to buy low and then sell high. So if you're looking to buy Kava, you know, look for a potential entry if it falls, not when it's overextended. But again, you can zoom into daily and hourly charts, and depending if you're looking to do a short-term trade, there might be a good entry there as well. So if you're not familiar with how to trade or candlesticks and patterns, we do have some free courses that'll help you get started. So you can click on the link below in this video or click on the banner on our website. We also are a trading service, and we offer trade rooms and courses and more advanced courses. We have a Discord, alerts, watch lists. So if you aren't a member of our trading community yet, you can click the link below in this video or click on the website or the banner on our website.